Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we got a pretty exciting day. I finally got back my intercooler pipes from the power recorder and my boots, and we're gonna throw everything back in the trucks anyways. Let's get to that. Okay, so let me show you what I got. And there was actually a couple of you guys that guessed that I got pretty close to the color. Anyways, let me show you. I'm really excited with them. I'm really happy with them. I want to give a huge shout out to Raw Customs here in Chino Valley, Arizona. They did an amazing job. Great people to work with. Really friendly, really helpful. And they did a really good job with these pipes. They look amazing. So anyways, let me show you how they look. And I'm excited. I hope you like them. So anyways, there we go. So that's what I got. I got silver for the actual pipes, for the intercooler pipes, and then I went with black on the spider. And they look great. I'm super happy with it. I also got all new riffraff boots for the pipes and the spider. And then these are the little inserts that I was talking about. They go inside of your plenums so that you can use 2-bolt clamps instead of your clamps, which these should clamp much stronger, much better than the original clamps that came with it. So anyways, like I said, I'm super excited, really happy with the way they turned out, and we're gonna go ahead and throw everything back in the truck. Shouldn't be that hard. Anyways, let's throw this stuff back in here. Okay, so we haven't even installed the first pipe yet, and I already ran into some problems, and let me show you. So as you can see, I'm back to using the original Ford boots, and that's because, let me show you. See this nice, awesome riffraff boot? It's actually huge. It's way thicker than the original boot that came with these things. I don't know if you can see, but there's at least, I would say at least a 1/16 of an inch difference between these two. The problem that I'm having is that when I install the intercooler, it fit, you know. Basically, I trimmed everything so that it would fit these, and it worked perfectly. I didn't have a problem at all with these. But now the problem is with these bigger ones, it's hitting on the core support of that thing, and it's not letting it slide all the way in. So for now, I'm not gonna be able to use these things. Now I am gonna eventually use it. This whole front end is gonna have to come back out again pretty soon. So once that comes out, I'll make sure to get those stuff clearanced some more, so that I can run these nice riffraff boots. But for now, unfortunately, we're gonna throw these stock ones back in. I did clean them inside and out, got the oil out of them, so that I can make sure that they seal properly. And hopefully that'll be enough. We're gonna try again with these. Hopefully it'll work. Well, it should. It was there before, right? Okay guys, so we're finally done with this thing, and it took me quite a bit longer than I thought it was going to take me, because these new boots are so damn beefy that it's kind of hard to kind of get everything in place. With the old ones, I don't know if they were old or if it's just because they are so worn out, but you can, really work with them. They're very, I guess, they could bend better and stuff like that, so you could work the pipes in way better than with these nice beefy ones. So that's kind of like a little, I guess, problem with them, is that they're so well built that they make it a little bit harder to put everything back together. But if you kind of finesse everything the right way, it'll probably make it easier, which is something that I learned. I still haven't cleaned everything, but I'm gonna show you how it looks. I'm pretty pleased with it. It looks really good. Hopefully you can see, because we are losing all kinds of light, and this GoPro doesn't do really well in low light. Okay, so I was editing the video and I just saw everything and it doesn't look all that great. So right now it's daylight again, so we're gonna try this one more time. So it looks pretty good. Like I said, we got a few scratches from installing it, but other than that, it looks pretty good. I'm really happy with it. And like I said, I still gotta clean up a little bit inside over here to make it look, you know, really nice and finish it up. But I'm extremely happy with the way that they turned out. And like I said, these things are all kinds of beefy. And like I said, I was able to use 3 of them. So the driver's side, these 2 upper ones, the ones on the plenums, all worked out, except for this one down here. But that's really more on me than on, you know, anything else. The way that I made everything, you know, the way that I clearance the core support. Like I said, it's more on me. The actual kit, the actual boots, everything is really good. They work. I mean, I'm really happy with them. I love the way they look. They are definitely gonna be way better than the stock ones that were already on there. And like I said, whenever I get a chance, I gotta take the whole front end of this thing back out to do some work. Probably when it gets painted, and then we'll kind of make more room for those for that boot, so that everything matches and we have good quality stuff on here. Now I did get some scratches on the pipes installing everything in here, which kind of bummed me out, but I figured that it was gonna happen. But other than that, like I said, it was a little hard finessing everything in here. One thing that I would do differently is, like, this whole area is the one that gave me the most trouble. Because it's a really tight fit, because of the way, you know, that all this stuff is set up. I had to take off this section to kind of swing it around. What I should have done is probably take this section 2 off to give me more room to swing it around, and put this boot as far back into this pipe as possible. And then once it was aligned, scooch it back that way. Because what I did is I put this pipe, I put the boot on, and then I scoot it back that way, and then swung the pipe around. But because you gotta get over this little hump right here that the spider has, it makes it really hard. So I think if you put it on this pipe all the way back, swing it around, and then put it in, I think that might work better. But yeah, I mean, other than that, I'm extremely happy. I'm gonna take it for a test drive, make sure that there's no boost leaks, and make sure that everything's tight, which it should be. And that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. Make sure you drop a like, leave me a comment, and if you have any questions about any of this at all, or anything else that I've done to the truck, I always do my best to reply to them, and I normally get to 90% of them. It might take me a little bit, but I get to all of them. And I really appreciate you guys leaving me comments, leaving me likes, all the views. I really appreciate it. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. We'll see you for the next one. And I didn't like that outro. But anyways, we'll see you for the next one. Again, leave a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And I have a few pretty cool things planned here for the future. I'm just working it out. And well, yeah, again, we'll see you.